this video I'm going to show you how to add audio to your videos. So I'm going to show you a simple way. I'm going to show you a way where it's not very good. I'm going to show you the best, one of the best methods. So if you go up here to record and create, you've got audio where you can add audio. So when you go into there, you can talk over your video. You don't know where you are with the video. So if we close that, go to there and then exit. So the other method is to use camera. So you can go down to the search box here and type in camera. It will bring up the camera. So there you can take a video. It's failed, it's errored out because I'm talking now on the system about I'm using the camera on my laptop. I was making a video about a piece of software. Do you want it to do a voiceover? You can use this method. You can download the screen recorder that I've got here. I'll show you where you can access that. You access it via https://screenreek.com screen recorder, and you can get screen recorder for Windows. You can just download it, and when I use the screen recorder, if I want my face on here, I go onto here into settings. I'll do it again. I go into settings and I enable the integrated cam. Alt+S enables it to record, Alt+S stops the recording. So now I'm going to turn off my but you can see me, so I'm just going to go up the top there, still recording the screen, integrated webcam, turn that off. And you can see I've disappeared off a webcam. So as the video plays, I can talk over the video, and I'm recording all the information. So I could talk about Millet's Farm, a cream tea I had, jam or cream first, whatever you want. So I can talk about whatever subject I'm watching the video on. Now I'm going to show you where I find the videos. So here I'm going to turn back, enable again, and then I'm going to go to my media, import media, and then I can go down here and it's going to be in pictures, probably camera roll. No, it isn't. I won't be a second. I wasn't recording myself actually talking on the video. I was recording myself doing the tutorial. So if I go to desktop, then project 1, additional editing material, I've got ClipChamp voiceover. So when I go down here, I've got the latest one there. And if I tap on plus, I can move that video underneath. And so when I go to export it, I can select the highest quality, but when I move the blade, you can see I can't see the voice. The voice over there is it because this is showing on top, so it's layered. So the original Minutes Farm Abingdon is on the top, and the voiceover is on the bottom. So when it's a slow network at the moment, still probably processing the video. So like I said, you go up the top there to export, then you go to there and you get the choice, save it onto your computer. It will come up on the screen there. You can rename the video there, you can call it whatever you want, you can just overtype it, instructions or minutes farm. It will say created with ClipChamp. You can save it to YouTube, you can save it to wherever you want. So up here it will say save to your device. There you can see it's not the video that I was on about with the voiceover, that's on the bottom, so you can't see it. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe.